If you are thinking of deleting a YouTube channel that's tied directly to your Google account, not a brand account, here's the safe way to do it. First, log into the Google account connected to the channel you want to delete. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then go to Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Advanced Settings. Scroll all the way down and click on Delete Channel. You'll likely be asked to re-enter your password for verification. From there, choose I want to permanently delete my content. You'll see a checklist explaining what will be removed: your videos, playlists, comments, likes, and subscribers. Be sure you are ready because this can't be undone. Tick all the boxes, confirm by typing in your email address, and click Delete My Content. Your YouTube channel will vanish, but your Google account will stay active. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.